Well, hello, everybody. Tonight, we're going to be building a saved audience to target homeowners. Um, most everybody will tell you to go in and go custom audience and lookalikes and all that stuff. But this saved audience will generate and find homeowners in the area you're looking. So first, you're gonna go in. You're gonna go create audience, saved audience. We're going to give it a name, coding. Then you're going to go search location. You're going to select your city, your area. I'm going to do Des Moines, and we're going to change the radius to 37 miles. That's just a good, especially if you're in a rural area like middle of Illinois or Des Moines, Iowa. It's a good broad area. Facebook's saying between 675,000 and 800,000 people. You're going to click this option down here, switch to original audience options. We don't want to use their AI tool for this. So we're going to go down. And because insurance is now a special ad category, you're going to leave the age to 18 to 65. You can't limit targeting based on age, gender, zip code, and a few other things. So we're going to work. That's what we're working around here. You can't add English, but just okay. What we're going to do, I have a list of targeting options we're going to look for. Roofing contractor websites, because guess who's looking? So they're people who are HVAC appliances. I'm just going to go through. We're going to I'll try and speed this up in editing, and I'll give you the list of these in the video description. So what we're looking for is the things that homeowners search and look for on the internet. I don't. Yep. Especially Menards, especially if you're in the Midwest. So you can go through and look for these other brands that homeowners are looking for. All right. So now we're getting into all right. If I use the right words. And see, it'll eventually start making suggestions for you too. Um, all right. Let's go back up and look at what Facebook says. So it says we've narrowed it down to 366,000 to 430,000 people. That's about right. And so this is the nice thing is you can go and go, okay, it's a good estimation, because what you're going to do if you watch the next video I'm putting together is you're going to use the ad copy, the writing, and you're going to use a creative to exclude the other people. That way, it's just easier. You're letting the ad do the heavy work of getting the hand raising. But this is it. This is, I'm going to hit create saved audience, and it's going to make this an available audience to target homeowners in the Des Moines metro area. You do the same thing. Like I said, I will list all of these as in text, so you can copy and paste them and make your own audience. Enjoy. Hit subscribe and like.